back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Micah wants to say a quick hi. He just filmed a little bit, so I'm going to insert the clip here now, and he wanted to show you some of the items.
Hi, I'm Mum channel.
You want to say hi again, do you, Micah?
Hi, Mum. This apple, and that tomato, and that beetroot, and that onion, and then...
Do you remember what this is? Asparagus.
Asparagus.
Yeah.
And that vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Yeah, there's vitamin C in there, isn't there?
Yeah. Red pepper.
You like them, don't you?
And watermelon.
Is it okay if I finish off now? Can you say bye?
No, not yet.
Yes. I just want to say a big thank you for coming over and watching this video. So I've done a Marks & Spencer's and Tesco haul. Spent £140 this week, but I do have a lot of items which are going to go over a week, I would say. I will more than likely put a meal plan and maybe photos at the end. I have been separating it each week and then uploading the food hauls on Friday and then my meals of the week on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. So I will link the video down below when I do upload the meals for the week for this video. I'm going to start over here. I got these apples. I think there was only about 8 to 9p, which is less than $1. Some salad tomatoes, 2 packs of those. Then I got this British lamb leg steak. Mine's going to cook these up on the barbecue. Some 4 sausage patties for the muffins again, but I didn't manage to get a hold of muffins this week, but Ryan's going to go back on Monday and see if he can pick up some English muffins. Some meat-free Richmond sausages, vegan bacon, some bananas, and then I just got an unsweetened soya, and then there's the pimento stuffed green olives. I got a big massive jar because Ryan and Micah and Neva go through so many olives. I got, oh sorry, this is from last week's shop. I've got some cashew butter left here, but I have got a cashew butter from Marks & Spencer's. I'll show you that later. Some vegan slices for some burgers. The kids really love these big oranges, and they were only 59p for that many in Tesco, so I got 2 bags. Mango chutney, which is one of Micah's favourite when he's having the lentil dal. Some red onions, cooked beetroot. And then I've got some asparagus, and then I've got these raw made hearts. If I can, I'm going to put a photo here, but I saw on online someone had like finished the lettuce and then chopped it off to about there and then put it in soil, and it started growing, and I thought, oh, do you know what, I'll give it a go. Anyway, I've been doing it for about a week and it is really growing fast. So have any of you ever tried that before? And then I've got 6 potato cakes. I've actually got 3 packs here. There's a lady called Helen Grace, and she does food hauls every week. I'm going to link her channel down below and above if you want to go and check her out. She's vegetarian and she does really wonderful hauls, and she was saying that she's never had these before, so I said if you get the chance, try them. And also I think it was Virginie that said that she's never had them as well. So I absolutely love these. I got 2 packs of porridge oats, and then I got 3 red peppers. In Marks & Spencer's it's like £1.50 for 3 peppers, but to buy them individually in Marks & Spencer's they're 48p, and I really love the red ones. Like sometimes you get green and yellow in the other pack, so I decided just to buy 3 big red ones. Some spinach, and then I got some lemons for the morning. And then I got some frozen fruits. I've not got frozen mangoes at the moment. It's a bit dark, sorry. I got 3 packs of this Black Forest mix. These were £2.30 each for 500 grams. And then I got 2 lots of pitted cherries. And then I got a frozen pineapple as well. So there's the other fruits there. And then moving on to the Marks & Spencer's. So I forgot to say that I spent £54 in Tesco, and then this is £90 from Marks & Spencer's. They didn't have a lot of things in, but so we've got these straight cut chips, and then we've got the cucumber, frozen broccoli, some hummus. I got 2 lots of those, and then I've got the creamy oat. And I got these taco kit. Yeah, I got taco kit again. Kayla really loves this. I made up the chili with this mushroom mince and it tasted amazing. I've got loads of eggs because I'm planning on doing some baking, and I think I might make a frittata this week. These eggs were reduced from £2.40 to 48p for organic eggs, 6 large. That is a bargain. So I decided to stock up because even though it says, you know, they have to sell by today, there's like another week on. And I've said before, for lunch a lot of the time, like Ryan will probably like use a pack of eggs if he's making an omelette or fried eggs for the kids. But I'm going to be doing like some baking, and also, like I said, I'm going to try and make maybe like a frittata. And then I got the ripen at home avocados. These marshmallows, the Plant Kitchen one. So the kids and Ryan, they're just doing a barbecue outside, and they are gonna roast these marshmallows, and then they asked me to get some like chocolate spread as well. So I got this. This looks amazing. Chocolate hazelnut creme. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that, and it's got no palm oil in it as well. So yeah, so I got that. And then this, I've never had this before, but the guy at the till was saying that this apparently tastes like Caramac. I think that's how you pronounce it. Have you ever tried that before? Golden blonde chocolate spread, white chocolate caramel spread with wafer pieces, and this one's got no palm oil in as well. So so I got this for them because they said something about that they wanted to put this on the marshmallows, so I got them that. And then the jam this week is a blueberry one. I really like the jam from there, it's so nice. The strawberry is usually my favourite, but this is a good one. I got a favourite coffee, and then this is a triple chocolate brownie tray bake. I couldn't resist because it was reduced from £3.25 sorry, to £1.14. So this is for 2 people. We've had brownies from there before, and oh my gosh, they're so amazing. Some black pepper, and then I got the 50p soups again this week. I just got 3 tins. So we've got the cream of tomato, cream mushroom, and then I think there's a chicken soup as well. I got some baked beans, and then some chickpeas. And then I've got flour. We've been making a lot of flatbread, and I'm going to be making pizza again. So I've got strong white bread flour, some white spelt, and then this is the pasta flour. I do have, so I use this for pizza, and I'm also thinking, I was trying to find the nozzles for this, because this, if you make a dough, and then it's got different attachments, you can make like spaghetti, but I can't find the little bits that go at the end, but I'm going to try and find them. Otherwise, what I might do is I'm going to leave a video above if you want to check it out, where Ryan makes some spinach like pasta. It's just 2 ingredients, flour and spinach. Really nice it is. You don't even need to put water in, because I think, you know, the water from the spinach like does it. So I will link that video above if you want to check it out. And the kids really loved it as well, rolling everything. I got the breaded haddock, and then I got the 3 for £10 offer. So I got 4 beef burgers, another pack, and then I got these lamb kebabs, shish kebabs. You get 4 in there. And then I got this mince again. I've been putting this in the freezer each week. I think I've got another pack in there. I'm alright, thank you, Micah. This was only £1.14. I've got a tomato sauce, and then I've got a few soyas here, soya, chocolate milk, and then some oat milks for lattes. Daddy. And then the kids have never tried these before. They said, I'm sure we've had them, but they said they don't remember having them. And every time I go to Marks and Spencer's, they see these. So I got these like pretzels for them to try. And then baby leaf spinach, some diced beef to make. I think I'm going to make a beef and gravy again, like make a roast dinner. Some mature cheddar, because this might be for the taco shells, or I might make the chili fries again, because Caleb really liked them. Well, all of the kids liked it, but it was Caleb's idea to make it, and he really liked it, so I might do it with the mushroom mince. And then we've got some mozzarella, which is for the pizzas. I got 4 tins of tomatoes to make the tomato sauce for my pizza. I did show how to make that in my video from the other week, my other haul. I will put that haul above. Was it on that or meals of the week? So it's on my meals of the week, and I will link that video above if you want to check out how we make a quick and easy tomato sauce. And then I just got these organic jumbo oats. So yeah, so this is everything. So what I'll do now is I'm going to put the meal plan for the week, and like I said, when the video is uploaded for the meals of the week, if it's not already uploaded, it will be at the end of this video, so you should be able to see it now. And there will be other videos here that you may like, so if you'd like to check them out, that would be great. And thanks to everybody for watching this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.